Sydney, Australia. I used to live there. It's a big city, more than 4 million people. But I wanna suggest you Darling Harbour. It's a bit of hard Sydney. You can see some dancers on the street. Some of them got a really good talent. Restaurants and bars like nightclub you can enjoy as well. Has a fast boat, kayaking, jet ski, so plenty water activity. Another place that I wanna suggest to you is Opera House. It's really amazing place. All architecture so beautiful, all details. And also I really wanna suggest you Bondi Beach. It's an amazing, beautiful and bigger beach in Sydney, Australia. A lot of surfers come to, they have a lot of surf competition. Many people say has too many sharks on ocean. It's a little bit dangerous. You can have a barbecue. You can get a restaurant and bars close by. If you know how to do skateboard, you can do it in front of water. And also I want to suggest you see kangaroo. For sure, Sydney is a big city. If you want to see a kangaroo, you have to go a little bit far, like 1 hour by car or by train. So before you get this place, buy some food. So don't forget, give food for the kangaroo. That's people do. It's like a kangaroo park.